Hello guys, what's up? In this video I will tell you how can you input two numbers in Python and swap them without using third variable. So for the same you have to write in the Python LE. First you have to initiate a variable num1 and int input enter the first number. And now num2 equals to int input enter the second number. Now what you have to do is before swapping you have to write here the original values of num1 and num2. So write here print before swap. So this will show the value of numbers before swapping. Before swap num1 equals to num1 and num2 equals to num2. So this will show the value of num1 and num2 before swapping. Now here you have to declare the swapping algorithm. For that you have to write here num1 comma num2 equals to num2 comma num1. I will explain it how it will work. So here the value of num1 will goes to num2 and the value of num2 goes to num1. Means if you print value of num1 after this print, so this will write the value of num2, and if you print the value of num1 after this will write the value of num2. Means the num1 is num2 and the num2 is num1. If you are not understanding, let me print here the values and then I will explain. After swap, so now it's time to run the program. Hope it will run. Yes, it is compiled successfully. Now we have to enter the first number. So I will write here 12. And in the second number, I will write 7. So you can see here before swap, the num1 value is 12 and num2 value is 7. And after swap, the num1 value is 7 and num2 value is 12. So the value of num1 is swapped to num2 and the value of num2 is swapped to num1. So that's all about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.